Hey guys, in this session let us learn how to comment a particular line of code. You should have already known this, but I am just explaining you on specifically commenting and uncommenting a particular line. Let me create a script called comment.sh. I just use echo to print some text and save it. I give permission to this script and execute this. So when I execute this script, bash is trying to check the command which is inside the script and it is executing the line of code, right? So if I don't want this line of code to be seen and executed by bash, what I can do, I can just use a hash symbol over here at the beginning of the code. Okay, so this hash symbol changes the line of code into a text format so that bash see this line of code as text but not any executable. Okay, likewise, if you have multiple line of code to be commented, you have to use this hash symbol in each and every line. Okay, so if I need to write some terms and conditions, something before I write a shell script, or any warnings, something like this. If I need some topic or title for a shell script, so if I say author, who is the author of the script, if I want to write all this text, I can use this hash symbol. Okay, and sometimes you may have requirement to write a command but you don't want that command to be executed, but later you may need those commands for future use, right? So if you don't want a particular line of code, you don't need to directly remove that line, right? So if you want that line of code to be referred later, then you can just comment that line so that that line will not be executed, and in future you can refer that line and or uncomment this particular line. That's it. So if I just comment this line, let us see what happens. We don't get any output, right? Because this script contains only comment, right? So if I need to uncomment these lines of code, I need to uncomment like this. Just remove this hash symbol so that the line is uncommented. That's it. Okay, so this is how we can comment or uncomment a particular line of code in the shell script. Okay.